Hey guys, so I am here today with another video to talk about some of the businesses we can start using just SEO Assist. A lot of people have asked me, can I start a business with this? We talk a lot about how it can help a business and help a business to market their business. But imagine you can start a new business, a new side hustle, a new thing you want to do using just one simple tool. Today, I want to talk about 5 businesses you can start using SEO Assist. I get questions like, can I, offer a service? Can I start with a product? What can I do with SEO Assist, not just to promote my existing business, but to maybe start out and make a whole new business in itself? So I'm going to go through 5 different businesses using AI and using SEO Assist, which already has all of the different flows and the work and the things that you need built right in. So you don't have to learn prompt engineering. You don't have to know how to code. You don't have to know, become the next SEO guru. You don't have to do all of those things because SEO Assist will do it for you. And you just have to work with it, zhuzh it up at the end, and deliver it to your clients. So before we get started, I'm Akilah Thompkins-Robins. I am the creator of SEO Assist. I'm also the author of my SEO workbook, which is one of the top rated guides to get your SEO work done. I am a speaker, a SEO strategist, and do all the things in my own business, which is what led me to even create SEO Assist to help my clients and my customers and even my book readers to do the work of SEO faster. Along the way, we found a bunch of other things that you can do just using AI and SEO Assist to help you put work together for your clients, your customers, and offer new services in your business. So let's jump right into it. So we know that SEO Assist offers a whole bunch of different things you can do to, again, help to grow your own business. So we've got writing new blog posts, working on your podcast, repurposing and backlinks, a bunch of different things that you can do. But we're going to talk about what are some of the businesses that you can use SEO Assist to help you with. First one we're going to talk about, of course, is an SEO services business. So similar to what I do on the service-based side of my business, you can use SEO Assist to help you to deliver SEO content, SEO strategy plans, SEO work for your clients. And so a couple of ways that SEO Assist can assist you in doing that is, first, of course, we have our writing a new blog post, but also within this area, you can generate topics. You can use this to help create strategy and content plans for your clients. And so one of my favorites is to go in here and plan out their quarterly content and all of the flows in SEO Assist. You just give them a couple of answers and it will give you your results. So if I was doing this for dentists, so within just a few minutes, SEO Assist has just given me 15 content plans. I can throw these in a plan for my clients, and then I can even go further and write the full blog post and implement these plans for my clients just sitting here simply using SEO Assist. Also, you can use the SEO bot to help to answer questions regarding SEO and help you understand the data. One of the other great things, if you're using this, especially as an SEO services business, that SEO Assist can do is help you to come up with that meta description and metadata. Very often when I'm doing audits for clients, some of the biggest things that come up on audits is that they are missing meta descriptions, they're missing meta tags, their titles are either duplicated or too short or something's wrong there. And so SEO Assist can help you to easily create the content that's needed for those going into our magic metadata flow. Let me show you that really quick. So we went into the dashboard, going into starting a blog post, going into post add-ons, which you don't spend as much time here as we should, but going into post add-ons, you can go into our magic metadata flow, and here you could take a full blog post. So we'll use a blog post that I previously wrote for a client here, copy that in. And like we do with all of our flows, we answer the questions, give it the information, and now it has given us some blog title ideas, some meta description suggestions, additional subtopics, and even image and alt text ideas. So from this information, now that we've written the blog for the client, we can go in here and make sure that all of the SEO tags are updated, correct, and something that is of course going to help drive more traffic to their site. So perfect if you are offering any type of SEO services. SEO Assist can assist you in doing those and creating this content for your services. Also, if you have a team, this is really a good idea if you have a team, because say if you have someone creating the blogs and then someone else doing all the metadata information, and so they can just boom, push those out pretty quickly. Even if you're someone who I prefer to write 100% of the content that I write for clients, and then you just run it through something like the metadata magic just to get that additional information, it's now saved you a huge step. And like I said, one of the biggest gaps that I see when I do audits for clients is that whomever was doing their metadata did not do their metadata, or did not do it correctly. Like I said, sometimes we select alt tags and they're all the same, or they're all one word things that we know is not that great for alt tags. So this is going to help you with that. And so, like I said, if you have an SEO services business, you can write blogs with this, you can do content planning with this, you can get your metadata with this, and we have our bot and our checklist that help you go through that checklist, the bot to help you answer some SEO questions. So you can literally run an SEO services business right here based on and helping, right here based in SEO Assist. Let's talk about the next one. You can also come in here and search for backlinks for your clients, and the SEO Assist checklist, which can help you keep track of the work you're doing. So pretty much a lot of your full-time agency work can be done right here in SEO Assist. Number 2 of the jobs of the businesses you can start using SEO Assist is you can do automated interview prep. And so these next 2 are actually going to go hand in hand. But if you've got clients who are either doing a lot of interviews, or who are going to be guests on a lot of interviews, or even for job interviews, you can have an interview prep service using our interview questions flow. So for this one, we've got interview questions, and similar to our other flows, you're just going to answer a couple of questions. And similarly, we've got 15 different questions here that you can now use and compile to put together a interview prep session for your clients. You can deliver all the questions to your clients, and so that they can use them to practice. You can actually also offer some live components where you kind of quiz them on the interviews and they feel more comfortable answering them. You can even use it to help them create now additional video content with their answers to those questions. So you can have a whole service and business based around getting people ready to be podcast guests, getting people ready to do interviews, and kind of that whole media readiness kind of work you may see people do. Also, you can help podcasters with this, and you can generate questions for them so that they don't have to fumble around with their guest prep. You just get their guest information, understand a little bit about what they want to share in their show, and then you can use this particular flow to deliver questions that they will now use for their guests. So you can do a whole guest prep service, podcast production service right here using these tools in SEO Assist. So our third business, along the same lines of our interview services, but this one is helping guests to actually get on the actual interviews, which is also going to help them with backlinks. So this goes back to our number 1 of our SEO business too, but also you can have a whole business. I know a lot of different businesses that do nothing but pitch guests to be on different podcast shows. So people who are ready to get out there, it's one of the things my company also offers, that we will help pitch you to be on podcasts. And one of the ways we do that is using the tools built into SEO Assist. So let me show you how SEO Assist can help you with that. SEO Assist has got a couple of tools that are built in to help you with just helping people to get pitched and be on podcasts. We're going to go into getting help with backlinks. And here you'll see we have a podcast directory, a pitch letter flow, and a follow-up flow. Literally, this is all you need for this business. It's really pretty nice, right? So to get you started, we've got a podcast directory with over 180 podcasts that we're constantly updating and putting in new podcasts that are looking for people to interview. And one of the nice things that we have in this particular directory is we have not only what the show is, how to contact them, but a little information about what they're looking for so that you can really craft their pitches really nicely for your clients. From there, you can go right into another one of our features, which is to help you actually write the pitch letter flow. Similar to some of the other flows, you're just going to go in here, answer all the questions, and it is actually going to write a letter for you to send off for those pitches. So now you'll be able to write the letters and send the pitches and have all of that work done for you right here within minutes. And once you've sent out those letters in a few weeks, you can now do a podcast guest follow-up flow where you will be able to now send this same type of letter where additional information that you will now generate and send out. So this can easily help you with your whole pitch flow and offer this service to clients where you can pitch them, and you can use this for not just the podcast that we have identified, but you can use these particular letter flows for any podcast. You just would enter the information that you need for the show, and then you would be able to now send that information off. So you can use it for people you already have or people that you use to that you pick from SEO Assist. And if you build a bit of a rapport with some of the host, then you will be their go-to person to help send, some quality guests to. So this is an amazing business to start. Like I said, we do some of these services in my company, and they are amazing, super profitable, and super easy because you're taking something off a plate for really busy, successful entrepreneurs are usually the ones that want pitching the most because they're ready to get themselves out there. And you've got not only the tools, but you've also got that directory, which is like, a little secret weapon in your process that other businesses won't be able to replicate. I will give you guys a hint. One of the things to make this really, really super successful and the most successful, because I know you're going to think, oh, well, everybody's using kind of the same tools. How do I make mine unique? Is to really niche down into a specific type of podcast, specific type of audience. So let's say you really want to niche down into, I'm going to do all sports podcasts, and I'm going to pitch people who do something with sports and get them on some shows. I actually have a client who's got an art business or art-based business. So I'm looking for art podcasts, right? So niching down into certain types of businesses and certain types of podcast guests that you are working with will really help to make this business even more successful, because now you've got an audience that knows that you are the go-to for pitching these kind of shows. So our next business that we can start using SEO Assist is social media management business. So a lot of people want to become social media managers these days, but also it's a lot of work. You can only do but so many platforms, so much time. So it's a lot of, taking what the client has, making it something for social, posting it on social. Let me show you how SEO Assist can help make this such an easy business for you to start or add into your existing social media marketing business. So this is one of my favorite tools here in SEO Assist. Another service that my company also does, and we use SEO Assist to help us do the work. You can also do this as an extension onto any of the other businesses that we've been talking about. If you can also help to make social media content. And I'm going to show you guys, actually I have a video, so I'll link the video where you can supersize this using Canva. So first thing, we're going to go into our repurposed existing content this time. And this is what makes this really unique than just doing social media management from using any other tools, even from making up your own social content, is that you don't have to. We're actually going to take the client's existing content and turn that in to social media posts, right? So what we'll do here, I pulled up a website, one of my clients, we're just going to copy off their blog posts that they have on their site. And we're going to go into our repurpose flow and copy that off, hit submit. So you can see we hit submit, and now it's given us a bunch of quote and graphic ideas. So now you can take this and turn it into the post that you're going to use for the client. And every single one of them, you can say, read the whole blog post and send that traffic right back to your site because this came directly from the site. So you get 15 different posts here. You got some longer captions that are good for Instagram and LinkedIn. And you also have some short form video ideas so you can put together a nice plan for what they're going to do for their reels, or even if you're doing faceless reels, you can do them based on these particular topics here. So that is another really good, and you see how easy that was, that you could literally do 5 blog posts, deliver 5 plans. And like I said, I'll put the video right here where you can supersize it using Canva and use Canva bulk create to make these very quickly in about 5-10 minutes, make these particular posts here into actual graphics. I do them for my clients all the time. I use the output out of our repurpose and Canva bulk create to make all of my graphics for my clients super easy, super fast. And so this is the contractor we were just looking at, and some of the graphics that we created using their own pictures, making something really nice. And so making literally your social media management business just going super quick in order to get those results and get those content. Make your social media marketing business go super quick in order to get that content out and get those results. Another really cool feature, and you can do this if you have a social media marketing business, management business, or you can do this if you have the blogging business we talked about a little bit earlier, is repurpose your social into blog. This is one of the most requested services that we get, which is to turn people's social content into blog posts and SEO content, because a lot of our audience are already on social and are doing a lot of stuff kind of organically on social, but then they know they need things on their blogs and they want to turn those things into blog posts. And so we use SEO Assist to assist them in getting this work done. And similar to our blog to social, we have another flow that is social to blog. So this is another really good thing you can do. And you can put this in either your blogging business or your social media management business, where you can help people to turn their social posts into blog posts. And so what we'll do, I already copied off one of my posts here, and you head on over to the repurpose social into blog, answer a few questions which I've already done, and paste your social post here. Once you submit, it's going to do the work, and then it's going to give you a full blog post, including title ideas, keyword ideas, meta descriptions, and subtopics, so you can make even additional blog content from these. So another really great business of doing that. You can do that either with a blog writing business and or doing it with a social media management business. Both of those would be really good to add in this part of your service. Or you can just have a repurposing business. That could be a whole different business for you guys. So these are some of the businesses that you can start using SEO Assist. You can start an SEO services business, of course. You can do just a blog or content writing business that is a lot of fun. You can do that interview prep business where you're helping people to get ready for interviews, or you're helping podcasters with their interview questions. You can run a whole pitch business based on our directory and pitch letters that we give you right in SEO Assist. You can also start a business where you are doing social media marketing by using their existing content. And it doesn't just have to be blog posts. I showed it on a blog post, but you can put in their pages. You can put in other posts. You can put in any information that you want to about the client, and it will give you some social media content that is really specific and unique to your client and to their audience. And so that's what makes it even better than any other, just ChatGPT or any other social media information generator you may use, because this one's actually based on your existing content or your client's existing content that you give it. And you can use those other repurpose flows to help turn a social into a blog, or any of those other really fun things that I showed you here in the video. If you're ready to give this a try, I want you to head on over to SEOassist.com. And if you use the code business25, it's going to give you 25% off your first 2 months with SEO Assist. So I'm excited to see the businesses that you start. Let me know in the comments if you give any of these a try, and use that business 25 to get started with your business at a really affordable price today, right? See you guys.